So let's just say if you are in a technical interview and they ask you to connect to a third party API, this is what exactly 90% of the developers will write and fail. So now this code looks exactly fine. It works on your local machine. But if you submit this, the senior interviewer will fail you instantly that this is not something according to the requirement. Why? Because let's just say if the third party APIs go down, if their server hangs, your fetch request hangs forever. Every new user opens a new connection and your RAM maxes out and you crash your own app. So to fix this, what the coder will do, he can write a timeout mechanism in which he will build an abort controller in which he will put a 5 second network blip, which will basically give a signal. If going above 5 seconds, it will directly abort that request. Now the interviewer will again say that this is good, but this is just a patchwork, just a temporary network blip, nothing much impressive. So now what if to make it more on a retry mechanism basis, the coder will add a while loop. So in the while loop, you will be able to see that he will fetch the API based on the re-attempts. Whenever, let's just say the API throws an error, it will increase the attempts and it will retry it. But here also, the interviewer will fail you because you will think that you nailed it, but you just built a self-inflicted DDoS attack. Why? Because if the billing service drops offline for let's just say for 10 seconds, thousands of users will hit that catch block and immediately retry at the same millisecond. You just hampered a recovering API with 3x the traffic and took it back down. So to interview, you will need to use the exponential backoff. So what it means that basically if the let's just say if the API fails, so it will first reattempt, but it will wait for 2 seconds. Next time it will wait for 4 seconds, then 8. So the time it will wait will be raised to the power of 2. So by this, what will happen when we will add a random jitter to the milliseconds of delay? So it will desynchronize the request so that they don't hit in a one massive way, which will basically solve the majority of the problems and alter. And after a certain amount of time, the API will work automatically. So yeah, I mean, I hope it works automatically. So yeah. So the main objective of this video is that in an interview, whenever you are asked a question, you should not only focus on getting the task done, but write defensive code, which will add extra value to it. So to see more innovative things in tech, drop a follow to join the CodeCraft Loop. Thank you.